What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking photos around my town, around nature, and I finally have gotten a thing where I can actually show you how I take photos around nature and stuff like that. So it's just a first person video, so it's my first time doing this, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one, and yeah, and I'll show you the photos at the end of this video as well. So check that and yeah, and enjoy. Fine, guys. Today we're just gonna. It's a bit windy, so don't mind the mic. Just gonna take some photos around nature, and this is my first person. So yeah, there's a few people here, which is fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna adjust the shutter speed while I'm here. Yep, ISO is fine. We'll go for f.6 for this aperture. Alright, let's head. Okay. This is pretty scary. I've been here for a long time, so don't mind me. Currently using the 18 to 55 lenses. Let's keep going. Shoot people here, just fine.
You can, that's where we're going, so yeah.
You just come all the time for practicing and stuff, while taking photos of nature and its beauty especially. Just haven't been taking photos of nature for a long time, so there's that too. Yeah, East Practice heaps over here, and I haven't gone there for about a while. Don't really do much nature photography besides when I'm like going towards a place near mine. If I'm going to capture on sunset, even though sunset today is literally, it's all the way at 8:10 or something like that. So I'm not gonna wait that long, because yeah, especially for this kind of video, I kind of want to do this today. So yeah, it's quite awesome. It's quite awesome. I do like to use sticks as like if I'm going for a lower aperture, I would like to use like objects through trees and stuff to make the photo look really sharp. I think it's pretty cool to like see through images, like not see through images, like see through trees and stuff like that. Like, just say for one of my photos and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, especially like these ones here through the sticks and stuff. I reckon it doesn't really tell a story. It's just like a very cool images to edit, I suppose. I usually like to go through them. I used to take like really boring like landscapes, but now I take everything in portraits. Sometimes I will take landscapes, just depending on what it is. If it's like a car or something, then yeah, I'll take landscape of those. But besides that, I take mostly my photos from portraits. And then like before, I did not know about the sizing of photos for Instagram. My photos would be like half cropped, which was a bit bad at the time. But yeah, it's quite. But yeah, today I just want to go through here, so then I get comfortable talking while there's people. Because yeah, for sure. For sure. Especially using signs and stuff like that, it's quite powerful. It is quite powerful to use like signs that tells. Even though today's a good one, or that I picked, considering it's not actually. It was actually quite sunny, and no, it's not. It was quite sunny and hot, and now I just chose to be around here, and it's quite cool. It's quite grey, so that's good, as always. I always like these images where they're going through the tree, going through something. Yeah, I'll take another one actually, just for good measure. There's heaps of people here actually, because there's like multiple tracks through Karlu pools, heaps of tracks. And there's like a massive, yeah. But I don't really go swimming in nature because, fuck whatever is in there, man. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Like that. It would be pretty sick if I could like just get something through there. I also go check my legs just for any animals, because I don't know if it's a season of snakes or whatever. So I'm just trying to be cautious of where I'm stepping. Plus I am by myself in the nature. Actually, I'm pretty sure I took this image before. Something like that. Something similar to this. Or I just take just then. So yeah. Leave a comment down below if you want something, if you want more videos like this, I suppose. And yeah, I'll do a lot more. I mean, I enjoy these ones anyway. Holy crap. That's quite nice. Focus. Don't have my tripod here today, but that's fine. There we go, a bit of landscape for you boys. You can actually see it. There we go. Alright, yeah. Oh shit. Jesus, I know you slipped. Crikey. That's nice. I always get different angles of stuff like this. It's quite cool. I'm currently using an 80 by 50, 80, 1/8. Yeah, let's go with that. 1/80. I don't know. There's the. If you can actually see it. There you are. Oh crikey! Someone's been laughing too much. Don't know if I got people through there, but yeah. You know. Alright. Just keep on going. No. Go this way. Because of there's a sign at the start of rocks and stuff of snakes and shit. So yeah, you always gotta be wary of where you're stepping because snakes are literally. They're kind of weird, you know. I don't like them, but it's fine. It's quite nice out here, to be honest. It is quite nice. Okay, that's too dark. I do not know what's going on in someone's house, but they're playing music or something, so it's gotta, you know. And also, when I first started, I never touched the cropping or anything. So like, most photos you see, if you like scroll down through my Instagram, most of them are not aligned or they're just pretty like, they're like this, like that. Then they're actually not actually straight. They're all angled or, because I've never really done enough editing. Ooh, that looks nice. I don't know if you actually see it. Try and get a water reflection. Water reflections are quite cool. Alright. They're playing some nice music. I will admit to that. I don't know if you actually see that. I apologize for you if you can't actually see the camera sometimes. I'm still getting used to the GoPro mount, which, yeah, still new to me. Alright, let's just keep on going. It's bloody wet out here, oh my god. Just gotta be careful. Hopefully I haven't slipped. There we go. Alright, too easy. Thank god. Oh, okay, my legs are all good. Yeah, because I usually do take images of like these. Sometimes, well, because every time I would come here, I wouldn't take the exact same images. I try not to. And that's one thing you gotta be wary when you first start. When I first started, I used to just take the exact same images because that's where I was comfortable with. And then I just never really gone to the city that often. But now I'm a bit comfortable of actually going towards the city by myself, which I've done a few times. Even though I wasn't actually planning on doing it, but I did it anyway. I should smooth that. Really nice. There we go. Alright, let's move that back. Also with cameras, you don't always have to have this little thing here. Always in the middle. It's always good to have it in the middle, but you can always move it. I don't really do it too often, but I'm just telling you. You guys just want to learn stuff like that. Yeah, it's quite peaceful. I like to just go for a walk like this. Yeah, it's just around my area, just where you apparently have koalas or some shit, some bad like that. Don't know whereabouts they've gone, but oh, that look nice. Ooh. As you can see here, if that can go through, it's a bit dark. Alright, let's keep it moving. Sorry if I go quiet, I'm just like trying to think of something to talk about by myself. I'll try to at least. So yeah. Holy crap, that fucking butterfly just scared me, what the hell. I'm just scared when it comes to nature and stuff by myself. Sometimes. But yeah, it's fine. Alright. Too dark. Just try and get that like that. Yeah. If you're taking photos like still images, you can have your exposure as low as you want, unless you're doing a long exposure. That's the one thing I would probably say for still, because in bushes like this, unless you're taking photos of animals in nature, then yeah, no. I don't know if that made any sense, but I'm gonna go with it. Let's keep moving. It's quite nice out here. Just gotta be wary of where I'm stepping. So right now I'm just really focusing on not trying to interrupt that animal at this point. Fuck it. Sorry, that's a mozzie or something. Some sort of mozzie. Okay, there's people. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Alright. There's heaps of people here. I haven't seen this many people in these tracks for a while. Do I have really pay attention? Sorry. Damn it. Sorry. Just don't like getting bitten by mozzies. There's a load of them. Welcome to Australia. All I can say is it's bloody mozzies are the worst. Alright. Let's just keep it moving. Holy shit, bro. So a whole entire area I've never really seen. For much of it. The dark. It's unsure of. I reckon here. It's getting a bit windy. Getting a bit windy, which is fine. Just fine as always. Because wind is your enemy if you're doing stuff like this. Because then you just can't get good photos. I mean, you can. Just depends on what you're taking photos of. Nature, no. Can't really great images if you're there's heaps of wind. But if it's overcast, then you're all good then. But besides the wind, yeah, no. No, I know it wouldn't. There's no wind for me. Jesus Christ. Sorry, just got scared by a buzzing fucking big thing. Oh, Jesus. Hopefully I am speaking a bit loud, I don't know if I am or not, I'm still testing this out. So yeah, sorry for the shaky quality, it's just because I'm walking literally on rocks. I'll just turn off the camera for now. Yeah. Probably should have gone with a friend, but oh well. Alright. Okay, we're close to getting out of here. Which I don't really want to get out of here, but it's fine. Bunch of hens or something over here on someone's house. Right. Very interesting. Well, it's not really interesting to you guys, but that's alright. I'm just gonna keep on talking. Alrighty. But this took me for this setup. I will link the setup down below. Just because it took me a while to even get this type of setup. Because I actually really want to do these type of things, you know, taking photos and actually not having to have a tripod in my other hand, because taking photos in one hand is hard. I've tried doing that before and it just didn't really do that well. Or it didn't really look that good. So yeah. That's a bit, that's got to be cropped that photo. That's for sure. These landscape ones I actually really like. Oh, with actually taking photos on your camera, it will show a lot more differently. I've had like photos where I thought on the camera, I'm like, oh, that looks sick. And then get on the computer, it's just not good. Like it's either blurry or it's a bit grainy, which happens if you're having a high ISO, so you're taking photos at night or something. That's why you always need an actual light. Besides that, yeah, it's quite Nighttime with cannons are quite difficult, but you'll get there eventually. Alright. Someone's taking a bike ride or something, or just fooling. I'll get out of his way if he's coming over here. Ooh. What was that? Yeah, looks alright. Just trying to find the way through. The image looks a bit dark. I don't know. I can't really see because it's still light, so it's like kind of hard to actually grab level of detail. Somewhat. That's a boring one. Oh, here we go. One of my favourite ones. Yeah, alright. I usually do take photos when I'm up, when I'm like taking photos of like the trees and stuff, but can't really do the GoPro or a phone, can I? We'll just keep going from here, I suppose. I don't know. I've completely forgot that there's like an actual. Oh, yeah, there is another way. There is another way. Alright, pretty sure I've explored enough of this, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the other section of the other section. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed that too, to be honest, of actually like having an actual I used a GoPro chest mount and then another thing, a Numa tripod mount, something like that. But that's what I used. I'll put that in the link down below, and also as I said in the start, those photos that you saw there, they actually weren't even edited at all. They actually look pretty decent. But I will be probably using them in another editing video of, yeah, I'll probably use that in like another video I could do. And let me know if you want more of these type of videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.